Hello guys, welcome back to my channel UK4. The Pixel 6a is an upcoming mobile phone manufactured by Google, expected to be a mid-range device in the Pixel lineup. While official details about the device are not available at the moment, we can make some educated based on Google's privacy releases. The Pixel series is well known for its on camera quality and software optimization. Therefore, it is expected that the Pixel 6a will be equipped with an impressive camera system. This could include a primary sensor, a wide angle range, and potential telephoto lens or micro lens for versatile photography options. The Pixel 6a is likely to feature advanced software enhancement for image processing, enabling users to capture stunning photos with minimal effect. In terms of display, the Pixel 6a may feature a high-resolution OLED screen offering vibrant color and deep black. This would provide an immersive viewing experience whether users are browsing the internet, watching video, or playing games. In terms of performance, the Pixel 6a is expected to feature a mid-range processor, which would to provide smooth preference for everyday tasks and casual gaming. It would also offer sufficient RAM and storage options for users to download and store their favorite apps, photos, and media files. Google Pixels devices are also known to offer a clean and stock Android experience. Therefore, the Pixel 6a may come with the latest version of Android, provide a smooth and user-friendly interface. Additional, it would like receive regular software updates directly from Google, ensuring the device stay up to date with the latest feature and security patches. While battery capacity remains unknown, the Pixel 6a is likely to come with decent battery life, ensuring users can go throughout the day without needed to recharge frequently. And when it's time to change, fast charging support would like to include it, allowing to quick top up. In terms of design and build quality, the Pixel 6a is expected to have a modern and sleek appearance. It may feature a slim profile, lightweight construction, and potential a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor or facial recognition for secure unlocking. It is worth noting that the exact design detail may vary once the official information is released by Google. Overall, the Pixel 6a is anticipated to be a mid-range mobile phone that excels camera performance, software optimization, and user experience. While specific or not currently available, based on the track recorder of the Pixel series, user can expect a reliable and capable device that offer great value for its price. Thanks for watching.